boss, good day na sa inyo diha. It's November 8, 2023. So for today's video mga boss, for today's episode, maatata karon sa Talisay kay mag-release na itong vlog na itong last week. It's a 2018 Toyota Fortuner J. Nga hinog kayo, actually naka-rims na to. Grabe ka nindot. So right now, magsundat na sa itong buyer. Nakaman dito siya sa San Jose Big Shop, dito sa may wireless. Nagpaabot. So tara mga boss, sundon. By the way mga boss, at my back, it's a 2018 Hyundai Tucson automatic, 56,000 mileage rin original. So actually this is my personal car, officially for sale na sad ni. Maybe next week ako ihatag ninyo ang full details gid aning unit. So tara mga boss, doy ta. So karon mga boss, nata karon sa wireless flyover dayon mo right turn ta diri. Kaya atong client nagulat diri sa San Jose Big Shop, and then right after proceed na ta sa showroom sa Talisay. So right turn ta diri. Atong client kay na diri sa San Jose Big Shop, so mo ni naka helmet, naka black. So drop kuan sa nato. So right now mga boss, nata karon sa area. So prepare na ang unit ang atong bayan na pas sa office. Nagpuligpid pa sa iyang balance. And then muli, as you can see, sa hinog a unit is 2018 Toyota Fortuner G manual transmission. So it's a coffee brown color. As you can see, naka-rims na, ready na. So ready for lacing na siya karon. So mga boss, muli ingani kahinog ato unit. So this is ready for lacing na. This is the 30th unit nga ito i-release sa atong isla. So guys, ready na ni for releasing. Bound for secureness na eh. Babay sa. Ana gyud.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on. So they had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy all night spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure they get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her move. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Hey, shawty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap, it ain't ready for shows. Got a Lex Maybach for the sexy grown. Put tone on the rocks that'll make you moan. 1 step, come on. 2 steps, come on. 3 steps, come on. Now that's 3 grand. What you think?